There are a number of orders, so I will let the senior person heading that particular order to read the entire order or whatever he wants to read therefrom. Shah sahab, you have a copy. Is this original? जी मेरे पास तो नहीं है. मेरे पास original मैंने आपको कर दी.
Majority order. And I repeat, it is by myself, Justice Munib Akhtar, Muhammad Ali Mazhar, Aisha Malik, Atar Minallah, Saeed Hassan Ali Rizvi, Shahid Waheed, and Irfan Sadat Khan. For detailed reasons to be recorded later and subject to what is set out therein by way of amplification or explanation or otherwise, these appeals are decided in the following terms. Number one, the impugned judgment dated 25th of March 24 of the learned full bench of the High Court is set aside to the extent it is or may be inconsistent with this order or the detailed reasons. Number two, the order of the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 1st of March 2024 is declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect. 3. The notifications of various dates whereby the persons respectively mentioned therein, being the persons identified in the Commission's notification dated 13th of May 2024, have been declared to be returned candidates for reserved seats for women and minorities in the National and Provincial Assemblies are declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect, and are quashed from 6th of May 2024 onwards, being the date an interim order was made by the court in CPLA number 13289 of 24, the leave petitions out of which the instant appeals arise. 4. It is declared that the lack or denial of an election symbol does not in any manner affect the constitutional and legal rights of a political party to participate in an election, whether general or by, and to field candidates, and the Commission is under a constitutional duty to act and construe and apply all statutory provisions accordingly. Number 5. It is declared that for the purposes and within the meaning of paragraphs D and E of clause 6 of Article 51 and paragraph C of clause 3 of Article 106 of the Constitution, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI, was and is a political party which secured or won the two terms being interchangeable general seats in the National and Provincial Assemblies in the general elections of 2024 as hereinafter provided. 6. During the course of the hearing of the instant appeals on 27th of June 2024, Learned Counsel for the Commission placed before the court a list of 80 returned candidates for the National Assembly, now MNAs, setting out in tabular form particulars relating to their election. Learned Counsel made a categorical statement that the Commission stood by the data so provided to the court. In particular, the list contained 3 columns marked as follows. Number 1, statement on nomination form given declaration and oath by the person nominated, that is, I belong to. Number 2, certificate of party affiliation under Section 66 of the Election Act 2017. And number 3, statutory declaration affidavit accompanying Section 66 certificate. Number 7, in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the general election of